we are talking about the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Ibiza palette. This is what the outer packaging looks like. It says 35 color shadow palette. This is what the actual palette looks like. It's a beautiful green. And this is what the inside looks like. So many beautiful shades in there, plus you have a nice big mirror. This retails for $20, but on Ulta they always have sales. I got it for $16. So if you guys are interested in this palette, then just be watching on Ulta. Legit, they have sales all of the time. So I am Vanessa. If you are new to my channel, I always prime my lids with concealer and I always set it. That is in every video, whether I'm doing a first impressions, get ready with me, whatever, I always use concealer and set it. And if you are new, I hope you stick around. I wanted to give you just a little bit of insight into my channel. I use only natural lighting. My last video, it's a little bit dark because it was pretty rainy and cloudy outside, but I knew I had to get a video up. So I'm sorry about that. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. And if you guys want to know if I like this palette and how to get this look, then let's hop into it. I have been so stressed out. So we're gonna play with some makeup, given this is a new palette and I want to show you guys, but I just want to play with makeup. I want to almost get creative. I want to think about this kind of stress relief and not so much about everything else. So that's what we're gonna do today. And we're gonna start out with this shade right here. Luckily, this does have a mirror. I am pleased with that. So let's start out by putting this in our upper crease area. I was kind of immediately drawn to this kind of army green shade. So that's what we're gonna kind of work with today. Hopefully it works well anyway, hopefully. I'm gonna take the one right next door, this guy right here. And we're gonna kind of do the same thing with it. These do have some kick up. I don't know if you guys can see. There's some definite kick up there. So same thing, kind of the same spot. I'm just gonna build these colors up a bit. They're pigmented, like for sure pigmented. And I guess these are shadows as well. So we're just gonna dip into this guy right here and do the exact same thing with it. So 3 transition shades. Why not? I mean, they're super easy, so I have to swatch this. I want to see how it looks. So I'm taking this big one down here. Wow, that almost feels wet. It's so weird. It's a weird consistency. It's very pretty. It's almost like a transforming shade to where you could put one shade down and put that on top. That's kind of how I take it anyway. While we're at it, let's just do a few more swatches. Oh my word. Look at that friggin' color right there. That is stunning. I did one light dip in there. Wow. You guys, like, just watch. Like, look, my whole hand is covered. This shade is beautiful over here. So we'll go right here. That's just one light swatch. Like, I barely even dipped my finger in that. Holy cow. Couple more and I'm done. I'm sorry. So just really light swatches on the finger. And where can we put this? You guys. My word. I cannot, like, look at these swatches. This one right here, I'm telling you, I did like the lightest little swatch and holy cow. I don't know if purple and army green are gonna go together, but we're fixing to try it out. We are. Oh, that color's calling my name, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna go in with the army green. This could really mess us up here, but we're gonna try it. And right into the crease we go. I think to get it to that intensity, you have to build it up a smidge, but it is definitely showing up. Grab a little bit of this shade right here. And like I said, these are a bit powdery, but I don't mind that. Like, come on, look at the pigmentation. So I don't mind that too much. I'm gonna grab just a smidge of this shade right here and run it kind of in between the transition and the brow bone. We are gonna take this guy right here because I cannot resist. I really wanted to use the one above it, okay? But I didn't. We're gonna put this, holy cow. Do you guys see that? What? Oh my word. I was not expecting that much pigmentation. Wow. This is so pigmented, you guys. I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade right here, and if it's too purpley, then I'm gonna grab a little bit of this brown. We're gonna try here. Yeah, I definitely like this shade better than the super warm one that I first went in with. We're doing it. We're going in with the purple. I know that doesn't necessarily go with army green, but I'm sorry, I have to do it. Like I said, we're playing with makeup. And this is the shade that is just calling my name. No cut crease or anything, just straight with my finger. And it's friggin' stunning. I've got the army green on a pencil brush, and I'm just running that right along the purple just to intensify our green a little bit more. I kind of like purple and green. Kind of like it. Something different. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the black. I know we're covering up a lot of the shades here, but I just feel like I need a bit more smokiness on this outer corner. Okay, our black has some definite fallout there, so be careful. Okay, I like it. So it's almost very Halloweenish to me. I don't know, but I like it. So this is what we look like. I definitely have to clean up the fallout. I'm gonna throw the rest of the face on, and then we will be back to talk about this palette. Oh, and do the lower lash line. Do you see, like, normally I prefer a lighter shade on the lid, and a few videos back with one of the Too Faced palettes, I did a dark lid, and normally I like a light lid because I always thought it opened up my eyes, but look at this compared to this. This eye is droopier, do not get me wrong, but I swear I think a dark lid opens my eyes up more. It's the weirdest thing. Okay, I'm gonna hush, stop talking, I'll be right back. Okay, lovelies, we are back, and I have pretty well all the face done. I have this lower lash done, but not this one. Isn't it crazy what putting shadow on the lower lash can do? Like, it makes the biggest difference. So the first thing I did was I grabbed a bit of this darker shade right here, and on the tiniest pencil brush, I ran it super close on the inner lash line, about 3/4 of the way. And then I wanted to bring some of the purple in, so I grabbed this matte purple right here on a much fatter pencil brush. Like, can you see the difference here? There's a huge difference. This guy's itty bitty. So on the fatter pencil brush, I'm gonna run this from outer corner to inner corner and just build it up a bit. Then with the same brush, a little bit of our army green, and then back to the itty bitty pencil brush, I grabbed some of the black. I made sure to tap off my brush where we had so much fallout, and then just like the first shade, super close to that lower lash line. And then fat pencil brush back in one more time with the purple, and we are done. So this is the finished look. I have to say I really, really love it. I wouldn't have normally paired purple and army green, but I love, love, love the way this turned out. I need to put mascara on my lower lashes though. I do need to do that. But I will say the BH Take Me to Ibiza palette is so, so good, you guys. This kind of blew my mind. I love the mirror. You guys know I love mirrors and palettes. This is a pretty good, decent sized mirror. The shades do have a good bit of kick up, but I had no fallout except for the black shade. Another con is I hate these little circle pans, but all of my brushes did fit in it, so it's fine. It's just not my personal favorite. But as far as all the shades that I used, they all blended out perfectly. They were super pigmented, even that green. And green is a pretty hard color, especially that army green type of color. That's a really hard color to do. So I love this palette, especially for the price. Highly recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, it's been a rough little bit. So I appreciate you guys watching this, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you recreate this or if you get this palette, let me know how you like it. But yes, thank you guys so, so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you in my next one. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. Bye, guys.